How to get Trickster voice filter. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how to get Trickster voice filter. First you have to create a new project. Just select any video from your gallery. I'm going to come back once I select one. Now here you can see that I have selected this video from my gallery and I'm going to work with this project. In order to get the Trickster voice filter, what you have to do is add text to your video. For example, I have added this text by clicking over here on the text option and then just click add text, and then you can just add the text that you want in this box and then click tick. Once you're done by adding the text, you can just click the text and choose the text over here by clicking it and then click text to speech. And then you can see that I have many options of filters over here. If you can see, the third option is Trickster. I'm going to choose this option.
Hi, my name is Trickster.
And then I'm going to click apply to all and then click tick over here. And then you can see that it has added Trickster voice effect to my video. That's how you add Trickster voice filter to your videos. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.